Hello viewers, I'm Paul White and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. Anyway viewers, I'm back at Exeter for the first time in over 5 years. Won't be able to get much trains in this episode. I'd like to show you guys, give you guys a quick tour of Exeter station. Anyway viewers, if you haven't yet subscribed to Paul's Train Vlogs, please hit the subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell icon to receive notifications about my current and future releases. And we are edging closer towards 4,000 subscribers, so I'm pretty excited. So anyway viewers, let's have a look at Exeter. I'm currently standing on platform number 1 because there is no yellow lines. The reason why I make Exeter so unique is because there are no yellow. Reason why Exeter is so unique. Now it says stand behind the yellow line. Well, the yellow line is non-existent. Lovely historic station sign. Just going to stroll down the platform here, guys. Lovely Exeter single box. Give you guys a pan of the area. Anyway viewers, he is a memorial of the 1914 Exeter Railway disaster, which occurred just 200 metres north from here. Okie dokie guys, unfortunately that's all I had to show you guys. Unfortunately there are no trains in this episode. Thought I might show you guys a tour of Exeter station. On that note viewers, it's time to wrap up the episode. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs. Don't forget to give the video the thumbs up, subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell to receive notifications about my current and future releases. Thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I will see you next time. Until then, it's goodbye for now.